Hello YouTube, Dano here. Just doing a quick video of the car here. This is a small tool haul. I actually had the guy bring it to me. So number 5, I'm not sure if you can see that sticker or not. Made in Germany. Come on, focus, you bastard. Made in Germany. Should we see that? ESTE. Yeah. I'm so used to seeing Stanleys. This thing's got some weight to it. Looks like it's complete. Handle's a little loose. But yeah, not a biggie. And along with that, we got this one's made in England. I'm not sure if it's going to focus on here or not. I guess what that says. That's one of those kind of adjustable mechanics wrench, which is kind of cool. And then along with that, we got 2 wrenches. Look at that. The King Deck. And they're the Whitworth size. Yeah, that's a little big for 3/8, 7/16. But yeah, King Deck. I got at least one other King Deck wrench kicking around somewhere. And then this is the real cool item. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Bahco, Sweden. That's the real fucking pliers. Not the snap-on version. Yep. So the guy had all 5 of the items up on Let Go and had best offer. So I thought, well, hell, I'll shoot him an offer. Offered him $15 just for these. I thought, hey, fuck, that's not a bad deal, $15. So then he messages me back and he says, sure, $15, you can take it all. I'm thinking, awesome. So even have them delivered to my work for me. Can we see that? Focus, you fuck. I guess it's bahco. God, this fucking thing can fucking focus. Yeah, bahco, Sweden. So yeah, that's a pair of the real ones. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. This is Dano out.